Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our Granny barbecue, grilled, and smoked chicken. These are the 3 ingredients that we put on our chicken. Very simple, everybody. And granulated garlic, everybody. Back there. Okay, so what we do, we put it into a bag and we season it to perfection, everybody. So I want everybody's chicken to look like this as seen here in the bag. So the best bags to use is those grocery bags. You know what I'm saying? This is like the old school. We used to use the paper bags. But this is just as good, everybody. Okay, so as you see, look at the chicken legs. They are seasoned to perfection from head to toe, from head to foot, as you see. Now, we're going to make sure that we have a whole bunch of seasoning. Don't be afraid of over-seasoning your chicken, everybody, okay? You don't want it to be salty, but you want it to be flavorful, okay? So make sure you use a lot more of the garlic, and don't worry about it being this powdered granulated garlic is just fine. Now we're going to show you how to properly do your cooking pits as well. You see how it goes in a circle and it turns all white? Now it's ready to be placed onto there for cooking. So make sure you guys follow us for more that's coming soon for part 3. And here's our cookbooks also available on Amazon.com and even desserts, child.